sweet magical souls, and welcome back to another magical video. This video is super exciting because it's a birthday glow up transformation video, and in no means, guys, am I saying that I'm ugly and I need to become this perfect image of myself or anything like that. If anything, it's me grinding hard, working so hard that I'm gonna give myself love, gonna treat myself to getting my nails done. Not me doing it, but getting them done. They look really nice, guys, and you're like, Eric, you don't need your nails done. But when you guys look close, they're a little overfilled, and I just had these nails for about 2 weeks. And it's gonna be my birthday, so we gotta treat ourselves, right? And my skin's shedding a little bit, so it's like putting on face skincare products on my hands, glowing up, looking nice, just giving yourself lots of self-love. I'm gonna give myself a haircut, gonna put on my birthday outfit, and just have so much fun, guys. So I'm gonna walk you through my birthday get ready with me glow up routine video. Super excited. Could see the glow a little bit more in this hand, guys, but I'm super excited to get my nails done. Here's a before and the after. So we're taking a little break, guys. This is my outside sacred space, and I just wanted to say in the birthday glow up video, obviously one of the most important parts for me on a day-to-day life, and my coworkers are so sweet all the time and say I always smell good, so we gotta be smelling good for our birthday, guys. And this video is sponsored by Dossier, and this brand is super neat, guys. Their packaging was super cute. It came in a big cardboard box, nothing's broken. So this brand is Dossier, and they're a designer dupe brand for designer fragrances like Chanel, Versace, Giorgio Armani, and I got the dupe for Eros by Versace and Acqua di Gio by Giorgio Armani, guys. So we're gonna give it a little spray and see how it smells. So let's open these boxes up, guys. This is what they look like. Gonna give this a little open. Iconic scents, designer quality, no markups. I just love that because like we know, guys, I love my designer. I'm wearing a Coach bracelet right now. So you guys know I'm wearing my designer bracelet. I love luxury. If you haven't already seen it, I'm gonna have a couple clips. My birthday haul video, I have a lot of designer items and they're expensive. They add up, guys. It's crazy. And honestly, if you can smell good and get your fragrance for a discounted price, who wouldn't love that? One of my favorite things about this brand is that they are vegan, cruelty-free, 100%. It's amazing, guys. So their name for it, guys, is Aquatic Lime by Dossier. The top notes are bergamot, lime, watermelon. The middle notes, guys, is marine notes, jasmine, rosemary. Base notes are cedarwood, oak moss, vividor. So this is the Aquatic Lime scent, guys, and it's made to smell like the Acqua di Gio Giorgio Armani scent. I really love this feature, guys. So it's like a magnet, and this just like goes on. This feels such designer quality, guys, for a fraction of the price. Let's give this a little test, guys. I'm gonna spray some on my wrist. Oh my god, this smells so good, guys. I just recently sprayed this Acqua di Gio Giorgio Armani scent on me when I was at Sephora. This smells almost better, like it has a little bit more scent to it than the other one. This smells so strong, guys. So this one is their ambery mint, guys. So this one, guys, I would say still has a designer scent to it, in my opinion. The Versace one's a little bit stronger. You guys should definitely check out Dossier because they are an amazing company with their products and how they're 100% vegan, cruelty-free. So I love that so much, guys, and it's amazing for us spiritual souls, and we want to be smelling good. I'm very happy that I'm going to be smelling good this birthday, and my birthday did pass, but it's my birthday week still, so I'm going to be smelling real good, and this is awesome. Like, you know what, guys? It stayed on my skin a little bit longer, and the notes of the fragrance are coming out of my skin. It smells really good. The cologne, like the quality of this brand is amazing. Be sure to use my discount code right here on the screen, guys, and in the comment section and description box down below, and get yourself an awesome cologne or perfume, which is amazing that they have cologne and perfume for men and women. So whatever you guys are feeling, you can go ahead and grab one, and this is perfect just to fit in your purse, in a tote bag, and you'll just be smelling good. A couple spritz and you're all set. So one of the first things I'm gonna do, guys, are tweeze these eyebrows because we have some growth that we don't need, so gonna get rid of these and put on a face mask. I got a little bit of acne, but you know, it's normal, no big deal. So I'm gonna basically tweeze some eyebrows, guys, put on a face mask, and give my skin a little fresh start. What you guys doing in here peeping on me? This is my bathroom. Alright guys, so this morning's going amazing. So I'm filming like my little birthday get ready with me. Can't find my tripod for the phone, like that version. So there's that. But anyways, we're just gonna get on into the video. Things happen unexpectedly. I kind of woke up feeling a little sick today too, guys. So I made my potion, my elixir. I'm gonna be fine. But anyways, I got my Duval spin brush and I got some Alvino, what is it? Clear complexion foaming cleanser. So basically, guys, before I even put it on, guys, I grab a bandana and I do this tight on my head so I can get my hair out of my face and I look all crazy. And I just get a little bit of this, or just put it like around my face, like this. And because of my makeup and stuff, and I haven't got any makeup balm or wipes, my spin brush is a little dirty, so I'm gonna clean this. And after my brush is clean, guys, I just basically cleanse my face. I need to buy new batteries for my spin brush, so because I forgot about that, I've just been doing this. I go ahead and grab some skincare, get my makeup brushes down, bag full of makeup. And let's get this started, guys. So I got this cute little bag from Ipsy for 1 month, and I just have my skincare in here. So last night I did a little face mask. Alright guys, so I'm gonna use, well, first off, let's just do Vaseline, because my lips had this problem, something called dermatitis, guys, and it's been doing a little better, but I can only put Vaseline on my lips. Nothing else on my lips will go crazy, so I just kind of protect my lips with some Vaseline. Filter Icy Sorbet Primer, guys. I got this in a BoxyCharm box. Can you hear the blue jays? It sounds so magical. Like the good old enchanted forest. So I'm going to get a little bit of this primer, put some on my eyelids, put it around my face, get a little more. And I do think, guys, the primer helps with creasing on your eyelids. My coworker is a makeup artist, so shout out to Patty, so that like helps out. And I have been noticing a difference, and it'll just kind of fill that in. So I'm just going to go ahead and rub this all over my face. And I kind of feel like Emma Chamberlain or Tana Mocha right now, or Maya family. I'm like, nothing's going as planned. I can't find this or that. I woke up feeling sick on my birthday, so I'm making a little tea and putting in some of this herb to help heal me. So there was that. There was me not being able to find my tripod, but this works too, you know. Good old home style. YouTube never hurt no one. So I kind of want this to dry a little bit, guys, and I'm going to use some of this Rescue Butter from Botanicals, Dr. Botanicals. And honestly, this combination isn't the best, guys, because sometimes when I do put foundation on after this, it starts spreading by my eyes. So then I start using my beauty blender to help me even it out. Then setting powder, then I'm a little bit better. But in the beginning, this combo I used worked really good for my makeup. So I'm going to let this dry a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and put on some moisturizer, bring some down to my neck, to my eyes, and just kind of work this in, and then my face turns all white, guys. So getting this all over my face, and now I look like this. So I put some excess on my hands, that my hands reap the benefits. I'm not a makeup artist or anything, so don't come for me, guys, but I bought these from Target because I got this like makeup brush that had this spoolie thing for your eyebrows, but I just lost it, guys. I went in my little cup one day of makeup brushes and could not find it, so I went ahead and bought a new one from e.l.f., good old e.l.f. And you use this for your eyebrow, and of course you could brush your eyebrows and stuff, but when I do mascara, sometimes it gets chunky, so it just helps me like brush it out and get rid of the chunks, so that's what I like to do. So we got a good old eyelash curler, so we can curl those eyelash, do a little mascara, and honestly, I don't think I need mascara, guys. My eyelash is pretty, but the only reason why I wear it is because after I do my makeup, foundation's all up in here, and I try to wipe out some with a towel, and then after that, I put that on to try to cover it, but you know, it works, so gonna let this dry a little bit. This is so ghetto, guys. I'm making a potion, so with this kind of use Maybelline Compact at the bottom, I use this base to help me mix some foundation up, guys, so the foundation will match my skin a little bit better, and I just kind of like do these little dots around my face. I like to get around these problematic acne areas under my chin, then trying to go by my eye and stuff. Then I got a little bit more, so I kind of just work this into my face, guys, and then I start doing the motion of blending. I'm getting blessed today, guys, because my makeup's not like separating or nothing. It's actually looking not too bad until I add setting powder. We're gonna go ahead and conceal real quick with a little bit of foundation. I wonder, what kind of shows have you guys been watching? What have you been into recently? I have like so many books I still want to read and I haven't got to read them. So I've been watching like these animes with my sister, like Death Note, Demon Slayer, Banana Fish, like all that stuff, guys. Then I just started getting into watching The Flash with my brother on Netflix. Ginny and Georgia was amazing. That show was so funny. I seen it like all over TikTok, like snippets, and I thought it was like an old show or movie. Then I rebuy Netflix because I watched Everything You Could a couple months ago, guys. And then I find it and I get addicted to that show. It's like so good. Ginny and Georgia was like one of my favorites. And then I had to get into Shadow and Bone. Took a little convincing, but then I got into that show too. It was like so good. Can't wait for season 2. And is that Peaches Out in Georgia song from Justin Bieber gonna be in Ginny and Georgia season 2? Because if it is, that'd be like iconic. I can't imagine what's gonna happen. But yeah, I wonder how you guys have been, and I hope I'm not blabbering too long in this video. I feel like it's gonna be 20 minutes, but we're looking better. So I got that blended out. And now I'm gonna get my setting powder, guys. So we're done with the foundation. So NARS Fenty old Maybelline thing, and now this is the Fit Me Maybelline setting powder, guys. I think I need to get me a lighter shade now because I'm a little bit more, how do you say, like when I put this on it turned a little orange sometimes, so maybe I didn't need that much. Whoa, we got lots of setting powder, guys. So I'm gonna get my little fluffy brush. I need to wash my makeup brushes on one of my days off, guys, for my little birthday vacay. That'll be on the to-do list, but I'm gonna give a little wipe and some toilet paper. So classy, you know. And we're gonna do a little bit of that. A lot of tap tap. Lots of tap tap because I got so much on here, and sometimes I even do this, like make sure it's not gonna be too crazy on my face, guys. And I'm just gonna go ahead and like blend like crazy so nothing is gonna move around on my face when I like touch things or whatever. It's just all gonna be nice and blended. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do lots of little tap taps. And blend this all over my face, then we're gonna do a little mascara next. I think I have a good amount on right now, guys, so I'm just gonna blend this like crazy. So this is the ghetto part with the towel, guys. I go like this, the edges of my hair, I wipe away all the foundation and my eyelash. So this is the part I'm doing right now. So we got this Dragon Lash Mascara, guys, and because it's my birthday, we're not doing this on camera. We're gonna have no fatal flaws today, so I'm gonna do this off camera, but gonna do this. Gonna use my little spoolie to help me out, and we're gonna be almost done. This shit is like a magic wand, guys. It just helps me out, and I forgot to curl my eyelash, so whatever, but we're done with that. Could put all this makeup brush away, and then I try to let this dry a little bit more, guys. Then I just close my eyes and do a little setting spray. And just like that, we got the hair done, guys. And speaking about this being a little glow up video, I feel like I look good. I'm gonna put on my birthday outfit, but these nails, these birthday nails for the glow up, this is a little story time. So they look kind of nice now, guys, but oh, the nail salon was a crazy nightmare. I kind of have some of these little bumps, guys, because I had to sand off the 2 nails he did. They were so gross. He put some green powder, chrome on top of this, then did silver glitter, then a top coat, and these 2 nails were bumpy, gross. You could see green. I kept on telling him I just wanted a little sparkle, a little something, and he just made it weird. And when he filed my nails, they're like wiggling so much. It was so scary. They're not completely even, so I just know, guys, I just do my own nails, file them the way I like, and paint them. So I got home, I put on some black gel, then just did natural gold glitter gel on top. I had my mom help me, so my nails look more nice now, but this was a whole disaster. I was so cranky. I paid like 40 bucks with tip for this, and it's usually just a $20 thing, but he charged me another 10 for the thingy, but I just tipped him 10 bucks because I'm Vietnamese too, and I feel bad. They work hard and everything, but I'm like, my effing birthday, I'm fucked. My nail looks so ugly, but now they look pretty. We gave them a little something something, and now we're gonna throw on the birthday outfit, guys, and we're gonna be all ready for the birthday glow up. Birthday glow up check, guys. We got the cute purse and the cute little charm of Tanjiro from Demon Slayer on here, and I just got my birthday outfit on, guys. I got my Goddess Nyx necklace on, my outfit for my birthday that I treated myself to, this blue velour outfit, and I'm just so happy we got makeup on. on, and I'm just got my glow up. We got the nails done too, even though it was a nail horror story, and I had to cut my own cuticles, and now when you look up close, guys, there's literally so much of a gap that I'm gonna need to fill my nails in, so gonna be doing my own nails. Hi, Maleficent, and it's so sad that the nail tech couldn't just put the nail stickers on me and do a top coat. He just wouldn't do it, so there was that. But just basic nails, just not my birthday nails, but it's okay. I got my birthday glow up, I'm with my cat, just super happy, and I went ahead and had my little birthday shoot, guys. I was a little sick the day of, but I'm feeling better now, and I'll just show you guys the birthday footage, and we got our birthday glow up on. My coworkers are so nice, guys. My little birthday cake, gift, and I treated myself to that purse this month. Ooh, I'm super excited. So here's a better close-up of the birthday cake, guys. It looks so good. I can't wait to eat it. And yeah, my coworkers are so nice to get this for me. Super excited to start the birthday fun. I just gotta love this view. Looks so yummy. We got Thai food, guys. I am so excited. The boba, all the good stuff. Yum! Good morning, guys. Maleficent's on top of Chelsea's tank, so there's that. But I just have some offerings since it's my birthday. I got some gifts for myself and gifts from others, so I'm just super blessed, guys. So I have stuff on my altar right now. I'm gonna recite a sutra right now that when you recite it, you basically make the food sacred and divine. Of course, you could do that with a spell, but I'm doing it in the Buddha Dharma path, just reciting that so it's instantly sacred. And I'm offering these to Goddess Nyx, God, and all the Ascended Masters. And I'm just so blessed, guys. I'm so happy with everything. So this is what looks cute. And these are other things I want to get blessed and consecrated and instantly sacred, guys. So I have this Febreze to help make my room smell good, and I don't mind getting that blessed, right? To get extra energy with that, and just all my everyday like tools I'm gonna use for my nails and some nail polish, guys. And then I have so much cool stuff in here. I got some candies. We got a Tanjiro from Demon Slayer, so he can help me slay demons, invoke that energy. And I have all these stuff for my Book of Shadows, guys. I'm so excited. So I got 2 binders. Since I get amazing imagery from the Witch's Moon, I have 2 of those. And then I just got all these different types of papers and stuff, guys. So there's that. I also have all these yummy treats, but more will come in my birthday vlog, so you guys will see completely everything that I got. But yeah, gonna offer these to the divine right now.